Welcome to Compare to Win. The best number 7 Retinol 1.5 is probably one of the most talked about skincare innovations in recent years, promising a potent yet balanced approach to anti-aging with its advanced complex designed to visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin texture, and boost radiance, all while aiming to minimize the irritation often associated with retinol use, making it a compelling option for both seasoned retinol users and newcomers alike seeking a more youthful and revitalized complexion. Number 5. No 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. Introducing the No 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Night Cream. This powerful formula works overnight to rejuvenate your face and neck. Infused with collagen peptides, it targets signs of aging for a smoother, firmer appearance. Experience the difference as it combats crepey skin. Hyaluronic acid and ceramides deeply hydrate and nourish your skin while you sleep. Wake up to a complexion that feels plump and revitalized. See a noticeable improvement in skin texture and elasticity with consistent use. It's your secret weapon for a radiant, youthful glow. Specially formulated for both your face and neck, this cream delivers comprehensive anti-aging benefits. Enjoy smoother, more supple skin all over. This luxurious night cream is the perfect addition to your anti-aging skincare routine. It provides intensive care for a refreshed look by morning. What we like. This is designed for nighttime use, focusing on restoring and renewing your skin. If you're looking for a comprehensive anti-aging solution that targets both your face and neck, especially for crepey skin, this is a great option. It's formulated with collagen peptides and hyaluronic acid to boost hydration and firmness. What people say. This is a great product that has been working well for me. I have been using this product for a while now and I am very happy with the results. This product is very effective and I would recommend it to anyone. Number 4. No 7 Restore and Renew Night Cream. Experience the transformative power of our night cream. It works while you sleep to restore and renew your complexion. Infused with collagen peptides, this cream targets signs of aging. It helps to firm and revitalize your skin overnight. Enriched with hyaluronic acid, it delivers intense hydration. Wake up to visibly plumper and smoother skin every morning. This fragrance-free formula is designed for sensitive skin. It provides powerful anti-aging benefits without irritation. Specifically formulated for both your face and neck. It ensures comprehensive care for a youthful appearance. Invest in your skin's future with this potent night treatment. Reveal a more radiant and firm complexion with consistent use. What we like. This option is specifically formulated to be fragrance-free, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin or a preference for unscented products. It also focuses on firming the skin on both your face and neck. If you prioritize a gentle yet effective night cream that helps improve skin's firmness without added fragrance, consider this. What people say. This is a great product that works well. I have been using this product for a while now and I am very happy with the results. The product is easy to use and apply. Number 3. No 7 Future Renew Damage Reversal Face Serum. Discover the future of skincare with our revolutionary new serum. It's designed to reverse the signs of skin damage and bring back your natural radiance. Tired of sun damage affecting your skin's appearance? This powerful formula works to visibly reverse its effects, restoring a youthful glow. Infused with key ingredients like hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, it deeply hydrates and revitalizes your complexion. Experience smoother, plumper-looking skin. Rest assured, this serum has been approved by dermatologists. It's formulated to be effective yet gentle on your skin. Even if you have sensitive skin, you can enjoy the benefits. It's designed to be kind and soothing, promoting a healthy-looking complexion. Unlock a radiant, glowing complexion you'll love. This serum helps to reveal brighter, more luminous skin with continued use. What we like. This serum is your go-to for tackling visible signs of sun damage and achieving a radiant glow. If you're concerned about sunspots, uneven tone, or dullness, and need a product that's also gentle enough for sensitive skin, this serum is an excellent choice. Its dermatologist-approved formula with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide works to reverse damage and boost luminosity. What people say. This is a great product for beginners to retinol. It is a good product for beginners to retinol and it has a good texture. It is a good product for beginners to retinol and it has a good texture and it is not sticky. Number 2. No 7 HydraLuminous Plus Hydrating Night Gel Moisturizer. Wake up to deeply hydrated and refreshed skin. This night gel moisturizer replenishes moisture overnight, providing up to 72 hours of hydration. Its silky gel cream texture absorbs instantly, leaving your skin feeling smooth, supple, and nourished by morning. Powered by hyaluronic acid, it acts like a moisture magnet, working across multiple layers of your skin for intense hydration. Formulated with pollution shield technology, it helps defend your skin from daily pollutants, promoting a radiant appearance. With 5% niacinamide, it helps reduce water loss and supports your skin's natural barrier for healthier-looking skin. In a consumer study, 93% agreed their skin looked hydrated and 94% agreed it looked healthier after just 4 weeks. Apply to cleansed, dry skin in the evening, massaging gently onto your face and neck. For best results, use with the full HydraLuminous Plus range. What we like. Experience long-lasting hydration with this gel moisturizer, perfect for those who need to replenish their skin's moisture barrier. If your skin feels dry, dehydrated, or compromised, and you're looking for a lightweight yet deeply hydrating formula that lasts up to 72 hours, this is the one. Its blend of hyaluronic acid and niacinamide also helps protect and repair your skin overnight. What people say. No 7 is great. Every lotto is so comforting to my face, and I've not had any negative skin issues. I use this product regularly and it provides great moisture for my dry skin and visually plumps up my fine lines. Absorbs directly into your skin and is non-greasy. Number 1. No 7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Serum. Introducing the Restore and Renew Multi-Action Serum, your ultimate solution for a revitalized appearance. This advanced formula is designed to target key signs of aging. Experience powerful anti-aging benefits with this potent serum. It works to firm and tighten the skin, addressing concerns like crepey texture. Enriched with hydrating collagen peptides, it helps to restore elasticity and plumpness to your skin. You'll notice a smoother, more youthful look. The inclusion of hyaluronic acid ensures deep, lasting hydration. It quenches thirsty skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Specifically formulated for both your face and neck, this serum delivers visible results. Achieve a firmer, more toned appearance across these delicate areas. Incorporate this serum into your daily routine for a radiant complexion. It's the perfect addition to help you look and feel your best. What we like. This serum is specifically targeted to address the signs of aging on the neck, aiming for firming and tightening effects. If you're particularly concerned about crepey skin or loss of elasticity on your neck, this product is designed for you. Its potent blend of collagen peptides and hyaluronic acid works to rejuvenate and smooth this delicate area. What people say. This product is a game changer for fine lines and wrinkles. My skin feels smoother and looks brighter after just a few weeks of use. I love how lightweight and non-greasy this serum is. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.